Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can change levels of hue and saturation in your project in Photopea. First things first, once we are at photopea.com and we have our project going, so far I just changed the vibrance. But let's say you really want to play around with hue and saturation, so you have to go to the top left corner of your screen and click on image. Now into the adjustments and go to hue and saturation. Straight away you'll see this bar in the middle of your screen and it's time to basically play with it. Straight away on top you can change the range if you want to play with all the colors or just red, yellow, green, cyan, blue or magenta. And now let's play around with hue a bit. Hue is changing drastically, so you really have to be very conscious about it. So with hue you are playing with all the colors as you set your options to master. Let's go to 0. Now saturation, which is basically depth of the colors and the levels of the colors, and then the lightness itself. As you can see, when you go 100% there's nothing in white, and when you go -100 it's everything in dark. So let's start and put it back on 0. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day.